In this video, you'll learn how to send USDT from MoonPay to Binance. This process involves several steps, including selecting the cryptocurrency and entering your wallet address. By following this guide, you will successfully transfer your USDT to your Binance account. Start by navigating to the MoonPay website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help in avoiding interruptions during the process. Once on the home page, look for the Home button, typically located at the top of the page, and click on it. Next, locate the Buy button, which is often prominently displayed on the home screen. Clicking this will redirect you to the purchasing options for cryptocurrencies. After this, select Buy Crypto to proceed to the next step. Once you are on the buying interface, you will see various cryptocurrency options. Look for the Buy BTC button and click on it to continue. This will lead you to a selection screen where you can choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. At this point, click on Select Asset to view a list of available cryptocurrencies. From here, navigate to Popular Tokens to find USDT more easily. To expedite your search, click on the search bar and type in USDT. This action will filter the results to show only USDT. After typing USDT, click on the option that appears. You will now be prompted to enter the amount of USDT you wish to purchase. Make sure to check your account balance and consider any transaction fees that may apply before. Once you have entered the desired amount, click on Continue with USDT. This will take you to a confirmation screen where you can review your order. Ensure that all details are correct before clicking on Confirm Order. After confirming your order, click on Buy to finalize the transaction. You will then see options for payment methods. Click on Pay With to choose your preferred payment method, such as Apple Pay, debit card, or credit card. Select one of these options. If you choose a card payment, you will see a message indicating the total amount to pay. Verify that this amount is correct. Next, click on Deliver to specify the wallet address for the USDT transfer. It is crucial to ensure that the wallet address you enter supports USDT to prevent any loss of funds. In the field provided, click on Enter or paste the wallet address. Type in the wallet address from your Binance account where you want to receive the USDT. Double check the address for accuracy, as any mistakes could result in the loss of your cryptocurrency. Once you have entered the wallet address, click on Pay to initiate the transfer. You may encounter a loading screen while the transaction processes. Be patient and wait for the confirmation that your payment was successful. That completes the process of sending USDT from MoonPay to Binance. Ensure that you monitor your Binance account for the arrival of your USDT. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.